fill in your self-assessment tax return with a qualified accountant and tax advisor. Part 1, today we're going to go through the employment pages, and wait till the end because I've got some tax deductible expenses that you need to be claiming if you want to reduce your tax bill. So first up, let's talk about what we need to get together in order to complete the return. So from your current employer, you're going to need to get your P60 and P11D. P60 is the document which lists the salary that you've been paid during the tax year, which of course is 6th of April 2023 till 5th of April 2024, as well as any pay as you earn tax which has already been paid over to HMRC on your behalf. P11D will be issued. This is for benefits in kind. So these are items such as company cars, any private medical insurance, large gifts you've received during the year, because these items are also taxable. Now, if you've left an employer during the year, they will have issued you with a P45 on leaving. This is very similar to a P60, has your salary and also any pay as you earn, which is already been paid over to HMRC. Also possible this employer has sent you a P11D at the end of the tax year. Very easy to insert these numbers onto the tax return. I will flash up where we need to insert them right now. Allowable expenses. So very important when we're claiming these cannot be expenses that have been already reimbursed by your employer. These must be expenses borne by you and you've had no compensation for them. So let's go through some easy ones. Professional subscriptions, work clothing that you may have had to buy in order to do your duties, small tools you may have had to buy in order to do your duties. Then we have things like travel costs. So this cannot be just traveling to your usual office or your usual place of work. That is not allowable. But if you've had to go somewhere special to work, which is maybe a long way away, you can reclaim travel costs for that. There is flat rate costs which can be reclaimed. Happy to go through that in a different video if needed. Then we have working from home allowance. So this is £6 a week, but you need to make sure you're only claiming this if you have a remote job. So you haven't got an office available to you, you're not hybrid working,